I could stay like this, forever following you.
Hi guys, it's your girl Nicole Patrick and you are welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, thank you so much for coming, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below this video, and thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this makeup on my face, and if you want to know how I did this makeup on my face, please keep on watching. And after watching this video, if you love it, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, like and share. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. So I decided to do my foundation and my eyebrows off the camera just to save a little bit of time. So now I'm going to move on to my eyeshadow. So the palette I'm going to be using today is this JUVIA'S palette. This one is the Zulu palette. So I got a lot of different eyeshadow palette from this JUVIA'S place, because for a long time now I've been looking for a really pigmented eyeshadow palette that I can be using for my eyeshadow. So I decided to go to JUVIA'S place website through Instagram, and I was so lucky all of this palette wasn't sold out. I decided to just get them all, and this one is the Masquerade palette. It's really pigmented. I've opened it. And this one is their Magic palette, and this one is the Nubian 2 palette. This one is the Dose palette. I don't know if I pronounced that right. And this one is the Saharan palette. So I just got all of this palette from JUVIA'S place, and I'm telling you guys now before I use it in any of my video, so you guys will know. So in case you see any of this palette on my video, I just want you to know that they are all from JUVIA'S place. They are absolutely beautiful, amazing. I love it. So today I'm going to be using this Zulu palette. So this is how it looks like inside. Really colorful and beautiful. So I'm just going to go ahead and create my eyeshadow with this palette. First, I'm going to apply this elegant concealer on my eyelid. I'm going to go ahead and apply this yellow shade as my transition shade. I'm going to go ahead and apply this orange shade on top of this yellow shade on my eyelid just to darken it a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and glow my face. I'm going to be using Bobbi Brown highlighting powder. So lastly, for my lips, I'm going to use this H&M lip gloss. But first, I'm going to use this Davis lip liner to line my lips.
Wondering whatever happened to what deep down I thought that there would always be an us. Since you disappeared, I know the time don't wait for no one. You gotta say what you want. If you were here with me now, I'd tell you you're the one. 'Cause you're the closest thing to an angel that I ever met. So don't you.
So guys, this is the end of this video. If you love it, please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.